This is a WPBF 25 editorial. Here is President and General Manager Caroline Tablett.
The 2022 hurricane season is off to an active start. As soon as it began, the WPBF 25 First Warning Weather Team was already tracking a tropical cyclone headed towards South Florida, which caused severe flooding in several areas of our community. You were able to see our meteorologists' coverage on air, on digital, and social around the clock as conditions changed. In what is forecasted to be a very busy season in the tropics, we hope you have already taken precautions like stocking your hurricane kit, having an honest conversation with your family about your plan, and addressing ways to protect your property and even your pets. As President and General Manager of WPBF 25, please know that you have the station's unwavering commitment to your safety. Time after time, you can depend on South Florida's most accurate, experienced, and trusted weather team to keep you informed and ahead of any storm that may come your way.
WPBF 25 welcomes responsible replies to this editorial.